Hey everyone, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create Tango account. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Tango application. Among these two options, tap any one of them to create Tango account. In this video, I'm gonna continue with Google. Now choose an account to continue to Tango application. Now choose your interest. Then tap on Claim Free Gift at the bottom of your screen, or else just tap on the Skip button at the top right corner of your screen. And this is how you can create Tango account. Thanks for watching Tech My Life. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.